Here's a memory card, it's SanDisk, and is this memory card good enough for recording videos at 4K resolution at 30 frames per second or at 60 frames per second? The answer is yes, although it is just U1, UHS1, and class 10, there's the 10 inside that letter C, let's zoom in, so it's class 10 only, but it's enough for recording 4K videos at even 60 frames per second. That speed, 100 megabytes, that's the read speed. The write speed, the speed at which you can write onto that card, is just 19. So the SanDisk Ultra U1 memory card is good for 4K recording either at 30 or even at 60 frames per second. That's a E4K Plus, so it's recording 60 frames per second. That's the GoPro Hero Session 5 and it's recording 4K at only 30. But this memory card is good in both of them. I recorded almost an hour with this one and it did not stop. I recorded, let's say, half an hour with this one because I did not want to test it that much, and it did not stop. Both of them will break the video files into small pieces around 4 gigabytes, and those will be stored on this small micro SD card. So this memory card is good for 4K recordings at 30 or 60 frames per second.